Hi guys, let's do some pre-market analysis for Nasdaq and gold, pre-New York session analysis. Although London has taken quite a big move, so I am not, and it's leaving a lot of low resistance liquidity as we speak. So yeah, once we get the turning point, I'm expecting in and around here, this region, we get our turning point, and then yeah, we're looking at an overall market maker buy model. So just looking at this, I'm going to look at the clean chart just so that we have good context. 15 minute ideally. We are in and around this area, right? So let's look at this. We have to see this. We're looking at 764, 765. We're looking at 797 in this region. And then we're looking at 905. So I'd mark this out. There. Let's put the 15 minute so it's well incorporated into our analysis. Yeah, I'm expecting price to go in and around here and then possibly reverse. Yeah. In addition to that, what else do we see? Do we have any news today? Let's check it out. We have jobless, job claims. So basically, what do we want to see? We want to see that the economy is not going into recession after the Fed is hike rates so much. So we need to see a healthy jobs market and healthy GDP growth, right? So jobs, we're expecting the same as previous. Looking at initial jobless claims, what else? Continuing jobless, there should be. Yeah, existing home sales. So you want to see these are increasing ideally, but even if it's in target, so yeah, we should most probably reverse on this information. So let's go continuing initial jobless claims. Jobless claims. What else are we looking at? Home sales. What else are we looking at? That's cool. So yeah, next what do we see? Let's go time frame by time frame again. Let's look at the monthly, daily, weekly. Keep checking it out. What are we seeing? So monthly perspective, I'm just going to remove the VWAP because we don't need it here. Yeah, so let's do this arrow as well. The monthly perspective, we're looking quite bullish. We're most likely going to tap this liquidity. If not, then we'll stay in range. But yeah, we could see this kind of a curvature movement as well. Let's draw an arc, semicircle arc here. Here we go. Looking at these points. most probably targeting this region 860 before reversal on the monthly. Potentially, I don't know, I just don't feel like market is going to just go pushing up and bolstering up, in my humblest of opinions. What are we seeing? Not 840, 843, somewhere around there. So I'm just going to keep that open. Monthly. 19845 is a key potential reversal point. Because we're still on the 19th, so I'm not expecting us to just blast through. It would be actually cool if it did blast through, but I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Looking at the weekly. So weekly is definitely showing bullish in this indication. Look at that, we close above 90 and now we're going up and up. We could end up with a doji at the end of the week. We don't know, but for now it's looking quite bullish, and you could get a bit more continuation up. I'm just going to relax and see, because we have only 2 days to go. So I'm just going to wait and see. Instead of taking screenshots of everything, I just have a video, so that if I never need to refer, then I have this. We're going to most probably grab this 19,770 liquidity of 2 weeks ago. 19,770 liquidity to be grabbed from 2 weeks ago. Okay, just to continue the weekly, I think we're targeting this 770 area, 773 area. After that, what are we seeing on the 3-day? So did we get, we took out, as I was saying, we took this out, 640. Although it didn't happen yesterday, we closed, open, high, low, close, we closed around 400. We have bolstered up, we did, oh no, sorry, this is 3-day, right? I think it'll be more, it'll be easy to see on the daily, but we have taken this out to 637. Let's see what happened yesterday. So I think FOMC took the double top out, so daily, 637, 634, yes. So 3-day slash daily. On the 3-day we observed, I'm just going to hide this quickly, toolbar. On the 3-day we observed a double top. 3-day we observed a double top, which got taken out. Double top which got taken out during FOMC, after which we closed bearish on the day. However, this seems to be profit taking. However, this seems to be a profit taking, and market has now moved to what's this level? market has moved past our target of 19681 or 75. So we are targeting, so on the 15 we have a 15-minute order block between 802 and 780. 15-minute order block at 19780, and I just think I need to work on the time element. So maybe my price prediction is good, but the timing of price should be more accurate. I should be able to hold my trades overnight sometimes, I feel it, because if we know and we are confident of our trade, we need to create a trade plan for that. So that'll help us with our time element. So although I've got my price element a bit stuck in, I need to get the time element right. Look, we are in this order block and we're looking for this, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to go into the daily again. Although it's looking quite bullish, we could just seize back down. Who knows? We could just reverse and tomorrow go all the way back here. So be careful, I would say. This nasdaq, it can move. It really does move. I doubt we do see here that they are relatively equal highs, and I would love to see that taken out 20,000, 22,200. But let's just see. And plus the shape of this is a W, so I'm expecting this to go up. It's a market would make a buy model that we are in. This is a real good target here, honestly, seeing this and around here. Yeah, so overall daily, I'm just going to quickly mark out the midnight open and all that stuff in right now. So why am I charting here? I'm not meant to be charting here, I'm sorry. So have I marked this out? So that got taken. It's around here that I said, right? 802, 805, sorry, 805, 803, 804, yes, and from 770. So I'm just going to quickly mark this out. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Cool. Alright, sorry. This needs to, yeah, look at that, take profit. This we need to remove. Anything we need to remove. I don't want too much gloss on my charts. Ow, I feel like someone knocked my nose out. Sorry, I keep on twitching because of that back issue. I have to keep on putting a hot water bag to just ease the pain. Okay, so again our target is here. There is this target 770 needs to get taken out. There is 822. We could see this as well. Then there's a volume imbalance here on the daily. So let's just quickly go back in here. We have the volume imbalance on the daily. Yeah, we do. Cool. So let's keep the key liquidity grabs. Key liquidity grabs are 19,770, 19,824, and volume imbalance between 26 and a volume imbalance at 19,826. Once I see the trade forming, I'll take it in. So we have an order block at around 30, 31. I would say at around even 806. This region this is where I'll look for taking my trade. If we take this liquidity out, I'll be looking for taking my trade here. My trade idea is this for today. Short position just from here. Yeah, this will be my stop. And our take profit will be here. I'd say 5 and around here. Yeah, I'll say here 614. Yeah, that's my trade for today. Ideally, I need a bit more capital. That's the only thing I'm lacking right now. I'm not using funded accounts. I find them stupid, and I find they have too many caveats and contingencies. So I prefer using my own capital. I'd rather build it and work with that and take big trades rather than, because I'm quite confident in myself at this point. Just need a bit more capital on my hand. And 4 hour, what is a 4 hour? Wait, let's go to 12 hour quickly. 12 hour. What else we got? 8 hour. That's 770. As I said, that has to be taken. I don't know if we'll take this, but it'd be lovely if we do. As soon as we take this, we go in. 8 hour. So 8R key liquidity grabs are that's going to be taken, likely to be taken. I would be shocked if we just reverse from here, although it's a very high possibility. I'm kind of expecting at least in this region. We can look at two possible scenarios. We look at monitor price when it reaches 805. Oops, sorry. So when market reaches 805, 803, I'll monitor it again. I like having a macro trade and then a micro trade inside a macro trade. That way we just are more cautious with everything. Like we have more bias in our favor. 83, 603, 622, that's what I would say. So yikes. If we see this, we should not go above 670. That is our two trades possibilities. Ideally we want this scenario, and I'm not looking at 9. Yeah, I'm looking at these as our two scenarios for today. When we reach these levels, we just monitor price. 6 hours not giving us any clue. I don't like looking at the 6 hour. I'm just going to keep this on the side just for my sanity. 803, why am I not? Yeah, 803, there we go. So those are our two trades for today. In 1 hour. Again, here we go. 823. We could see this 886, 875. I'm seeing this as a very key level. Let's look at my main chart, 15-minute. I have this 826, 827 region one, so yeah, we want something in around there. Who's messaging? We have this fair value gap here, so I need to mark that out. This is on the 1 hour, right? So 4 hour, wait, before we go into the 1 hour, look at the 4 hour. 4 hourly, what am I saying, anything on the 4 hour? So 4 hour goes in with the weekly. We have 829, 830, so order block on 831. 831 order block could be tapped before reversal. Two hourly, we have 1 hourly. We have this order block here. I like it. I like this double top here as well. So I would even go as much as to say wait till 30 there. I'll wait it out. I'll monitor in that range and then we enter, of course. Look at the fair value gap here. Double top as well. Lovely, honestly lovely trade opportunity in and around here. Oh, why am I doing this on my clean chart? Sorry. 1 hour. The reason why I keep that clean chart clean. And delete that. Here we go. That be fair value gap. And around there. Close that. Incredible. Anything from here is our short. Yeah, ideally waiting for this area to be tapped into. I'm going to just keep this clean. 8 was this 830 and 804. So 830, 804. So 804. Target is around 614, 625. 829. Second entry. 6. Look at this area. So we're looking at 3 consecutive small body followed by large logical levels. Let's look at the main nasdaq. I'll just always go on to the futures chart to see. So if we're at 55, what are we expecting? A move form, right? Open platform. It's going to go to the December futures. workspace. So once we have the December features, we're already at 20,000. So I'm expecting, if you're at 20,000 and market is, if you're looking at 60-70 points, we're looking at around 2050. Let's look at it from the 1 hour perspective. I think it'd be easier to see. So I'm going to be cold. Okay, what else do we got? So 1 hour, I'm going to go into the 30-minute. Maybe we can refine our entries. So VWAP is still live. Yeah, possible. We are at the top of the VWAP. I am expecting shorts to follow in through the New York session, because looking at the market profile, we have gone up, then we are going to go down. We're going to go and take out the open. I'm going to mark out the open and all that stuff here. So we have midnight open. I'm going to go down to the 15 and mark everything out. Okay, so is this a trade? No, this was my analysis yesterday. Control C. We did hit target. Bingo. So cool. 1:30. We don't know where that is. New York midnight open. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5:30, 4:45, 5 o'clock. We have New York mid. 5 o'clock. So open, high, low, close. Okay, that's our midnight open. So we have the midnight open at 6:24. You see how algorithmically it's just going there. So we are likely, that's where my trade is going to be. What else do we got here? So 6:31 weekly high, New York 130, New York open. We marked out Asia. Asia open, two-day open. Where's Asia open? Asia open is at around 23, right? So 9:30. Oh, we do have, look at that, mark that volume gap out. We did not close that, so most probably we could in the next 2 days reverse fully if we have consumer confidence, especially. Let's go into liquidity, internal range liquidity, low time frame order block there. I'm going to mark that out as a volume gap, volume imbalance. I hope we just keep going up for this next 1-2 weeks, and then we come back in October for shorts. Volume imbalance, inside center. Cool. So we have, where does open 23, right? So I'm going to just mark out Asia open here. Nice, solid. Okay, just to continue this, sorry for the delay. So I guess we have got market going to our first target. So what did I say? 770. So yes, we've tapped 770. We have been consolidating here. We could rise up because there's this and there's this, or we can just drop from here. So wait, what happened? I think there was news. What did nothing happen on news? Jobless claims reduced. Wow, okay. So basically we had no movement on this, so I'm expecting on New York Open slight up all these liquidity levels to be taken. Yeah, this is definite 712, whatever it is. This is definite, possibly 703. Could go to 698. So this level is definite. Let's mark out the order block. There's also a bit of a volume imbalance there. I need to start working on gold a bit more because I have experience on the nasdaq quite a lot, to be fair. Yeah, so we have our trades set up. Why are they so far away? I have no fucking clue, but here we go. There, that's decent. These are our two setups. 803 in around this area. 824, yeah, around here. Around there, yeah. But take profit one would be, let's put our text, DP1. So I'll put my first take profit there. Then yeah, remaining is taken there. Next, 15-minute. Let's get backwards. We're on the 1 hour, right? We are analyzing on the 1 hour. So we have this to be taken. Let's create this 1 hour. I'll just mark these relative equal highs here. Again. Bingo. Yeah, so I'm expecting this to play out in the next sometime. What about the 30-minute? What do I say? So again, I need to go back to where we were. We have an order block here. We could go here, to be fair. There is a possibility of that as well. Mark it out. Remember, mitigation blocks make a market maker model, right? So there is a mitigation block here. Order mitigation block, 30-minute market maker buy model. Bingo. In. Where did we put this? Put it in the middle right. Okay, so that we are aware of what it is. Have I not got a call yet from this guy? Okay, what's next? 15. I don't usually like going below the 15-minute to find a trade, but I just execute on the 15 and 5 and 1, but I don't like looking for trades on this. But let's see, what do we got here? So we have this as our order block to be tapped. So we could do this trade and then go up. So if we go in here, we go back down here to 706 and then fly up. So we'll look at our different projections. So we could go here and then down, or whoops, or we can go here and then bolster up here. So these are our two possibilities. Now we just react to what the market gives us. Fair value gap on the buy side has been identified. Mitigation block around 19876, and then we'll be okay. So trade ideas and results. These are my trade ideas and my results. So pre-market trade ideas. So there are 3 ideas we have here. I'm going to screen capture this. Let's see how it plays out, and then pre and post we see what happens. That's the best way to do the analysis. Okay. Otherwise, yeah, as I said, this would be our last trade idea for a long position. All the way here. So we have to see how the market plays. If it just starts collapsing, then it's a long day. If it does not, then we'll reverse, but I doubt we'll reverse today. I'm expecting us to most probably go up. Let's look at gold. What's gold up to? Wow, gold started dipping. Exactly where we saw it from. It went into a fair value gap and then dipped. Order block fair value gap and dipped. Where are we targeting here? Most probably. So let's do a proper gold analysis now from here. Not done one of these. So that's nasdaq. Gold 2024. So 9th September to 9th, so we'll be saying 16th to 20th. What day are we on today? We are on Thursday the 12th, Thursday the 19th. I might just do gold from next week rather than starting off this week. Month is definitely a bullish one, but yeah, I'm just going to look at it from next week. I'd rather not start off from a fresh week, but let's look at it quickly. I'm not going to make too much notes. We could go down and then back up. Weekly is bullish, is giving a bit of a 3 days is bearish day. They were possibly going to go down to 74, 79-ish before we get moving. Yeah, most probably looking at the 12 hour, we have 70, 72. We have this as rebalance repriced. 4 hour, we have this here. There we go. As I said, it's going down. It will go to 76, 75, and then we most probably might see a bit of a rise up. So open, high, low, close. Let's look at this session by session. 1 hour. So if we were to now just put the session blocks, London went up, Asia went up. Now New York is likely to go in reverse. What if it just does into this area? 1539. It's a possibility. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You go back into tap and distribute. Main full. There. 30-minute, 15-minute. What is the pattern you see in this? We're starting to see so down, solid up, most probably we're seeing New York reversal of London close pattern. We're likely to go down to 71. I'm expecting that here. So my gold analysis is for 1971 to be hit. What is my, yeah, I think we're going up. Then in, what is New York and everything saying? Let's see. Weave up, I need the weave up on. I don't need the EMAs on this shit. So weave up, we're at the top of the wave up. What else are we seeing? We're seeing down here to 709. We're most probably going to get into 703, maybe into 680, but yeah. 15-minute is what I prefer. It's looking like a sell model from here all the way down to 712, 713 at least. Then we could take all this out. We could hit 590 today, it's possible. Let's mark that out here, by the way. 15-minute. Let's go 30-minute. What was I saying here? One more time frame was around 15-minute. Let me see. Why am I getting two different thingies? this water block that we can reach into as well. Water block. We could target 19587 as a 15-minute order block. So it basically has been a rise up, and then New York comes down and takes out the. I don't think it's going down to 5. It could go down to 530 even. Clone. Wait, delete. Order block 15. Mid center. Okay, I guess that's the end of this recording. Control end.